Running a successful business takes time, strategy, and hard work. You may find yourself designing or manufacturing products, working with vendors, helping customers, or managing employees. No matter what kind of business you run, you have a remarkable capacity for strategy, planning years into the future despite many challenges. Offering the best group plans and voluntary employee benefit plans are critical to the overall success of your business, no matter what size or budget. We know that making employee benefit decisions can be confusing. You're not alone. Talk to a professional. We're certified and experienced in group and voluntary insurance planning and offer several plans from top-rated carriers and are fully committed to educate and provide you with the right insurance plan to meet your needs and budget. The benefit to you is you will have a clear understanding of your choices and recommended strategies. Contact us today